All right, welcome back to Marshall Remodel. This is the Mad County Build Series, and Emily is going to take us on the tour of our garage where we are currently residing. So, you ready for this?
I am. I'm excited.
All right, let's get to it.
Let's talk about our kitchen. This is not the ideal situation, but we're trying to make the best of it. If you guys are probably familiar with our canning kitchen area. So we've got this really nice sink and stove that we're able to do all our dishes in and stuff like that. On this side is going to be like temporary, just what we need for right now. And then once we move into the house, we will revamp this side. So we just have our fridge and our washer and dryer. So we pretty much do everything in here. There's not a lot of counter space, but that's okay. We're making it work.
All right, so since this wasn't our original plan, you can see right here, this box. That's where the exhaust vent for the dryer is, and it just goes right outside this door. And I did it in a way that once we're done using this, I can take it out and just replace this bottom piece of wainscot. So my intentions is once we get in the house, is I'll remove this vent and put a new piece of wainscot up, and we'll be good to go, be back to normal. We poured this pad out here just for like our grill, and eventually we'll be able to put some cookers out there if we need to for doing our vegetables.
This is our living room and TV room, as you probably have figured out, and it's also all of the furniture that we own. We don't have a storage unit somewhere with a bunch of stuff, with a bunch of our furniture. Because we've moved so often over the last few years, we just keep downsizing, and that is actually making the process of getting into the house part really exciting because we actually need furniture. So you guys are gonna be able to come along on that journey as we furnish the house. But the kids love hanging out here. We hang out here at night. And then let me show you our storage area, because obviously there are no closets in the garage. So we put together this temporary shelving, which we've used in other homes, and it's a really great, inexpensive solution to getting things organized in a space that you know you're going to have to shift and move around. So we literally have everything that we need on these shelves, from our dishes to our toiletries to our food. Everything is kept right here so that we have a nice central location for all of that. This space is for our kids. I probably should admit that it's the most frustrating part about this like transition period is that there isn't really a good spot for all of the toys and things to be. So we decided to define this space a little bit with this gym floor stuff that you get from like Costco or Sam's. And then they have their toys here. You'll notice we have our Christmas tree. We were really hoping to be able to at least put up a Christmas tree in the house, but since that's not happening this year, we decided to make the most of it, and we're gonna celebrate in here. We thought it was really important for our kids to have a little bit of space that was their own, that they could do their thing. We have a lot of artists in our family, so we got these simple folding tables, and everybody has their own. Everybody has their own chair. They can do their projects, do their homework, whatever it is. We set up a little station for me. This is where I get ready, and then behind that blue tarp, that's the rest of our stuff. So anything that we don't need until we move into the house, that's where it's kept. So. Mm-hmm.
It's mostly hunting stuff back here. Oh yeah.
And here you see on this wall, this is Marshall Remodel. We each have our own desk, and this is where we're working right now. And I am really looking forward to having an office in our bedroom that's a little bit more private and set away from the rest of the house. So this is our bedroom, and the kids are down below. It's the storm shelter is underneath this part, and it's our closet, it's our bedroom, it's where we sleep, where we hang out. A lot of barn dominium families, they talk about having a community closet and laundry room, and I have to say that's a really great idea. It's actually super easy to bring a load of laundry in here and know that everybody's stuff is just right in this area. So if you're thinking about doing that in yours, I would give it a vote for yes. All right, I'll take you downstairs to where the kids are sleeping. It's the storm shelter, and it's been amazing. It's cool, it's dark, they love it, they sleep really well down here, and then they're right under us, so it's a nice secure spot for them.
All right, so one last thing to cover on this tour is the bathroom we're using, and that is the bathroom right inside the house, which we originally planned to have. So if I'm out here working or the kids are outside getting dirty, we'll have a bathroom right off the mudroom there. So that's what we're using right now, and it's actually working out pretty good. So I'll show you that quick. So it's literally right inside the house. Just got a makeshift door here. We got all the lights and stuff hooked up. All right, so that'll conclude the tour. And if you're interested in more information on our garage and more specifics, answers to other questions, check out the link in the description. That'll take you to our blog, our website, where Emily will answer a lot of that stuff for you. All right, guys, so that's a basic tour of what we're dealing with right now, which, in my opinion, is not too bad. And I'm just happy to be out here. But anyway, one question we had is how the in-floor heat is going, and it's amazing. We got it, I think we have it set at like 70 here in the garage, and it is a really comfortable heat. The boiler system really doesn't run all that much. In the house where we're working, I only keep it at 50 in there, and that's been really efficient too. I'll be excited to see how that works once we get in there. I really believe that it's going to heat the upstairs as well, but we'll keep you posted on that. But we appreciate you guys watching and coming on this journey with us. Thanks to all of you, and we probably won't see you till after Christmas, so we want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Yes. Happy holidays, everybody, and thank you so much for being a part of our community.
And we are just a few steps away from getting that drywall in, so
maybe by next Christmas you'll see drywall.
Yeah, no, there will be drywall in January as long as my drywall guy comes through. But again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video.